In this video, we're going to go over obtaining logs and packet captures from a Cisco telepresence endpoint running CE software for troubleshooting. These logs and captures can be used for diagnosing network issues, call drops, or anything you may have opened a TAC case for. To start, click on Maintenance, then System Logs. There are two sides. On the right side, we have the logging section to enable or disable logging, and on the left side, we have the download section. Click the arrow down button next to Start Extended Logging, and there's two options. We can include a limited packet capture or include a full packet capture. In this video, we're going to include a full packet capture. Click this and we'll enable a packet capture for 3 minutes. This of course means we only have 3 minutes to reproduce the issue, so make sure to do this right before we're ready to make the call. You can see that a red button appeared to let us delete the packet capture, and the extended logging.pcap file is started to grow in size. This will stop after 3 minutes, or we could just stop it manually. Let's simulate a call failure to capture in our logs. Let's go to Call Control, type in the number to dial or choose it from the directory. In this case, I'm going to make a call to a SIP URI. I'm going to go to Show Call Settings, choose SIP, and then click on Call. In this case, the call failed, so the logs can be used to diagnose the reason of the call failure. Let's go back to System Logs. Click on Stop Logging, and we can see the extended logging.pcap file can now be downloaded individually or in a log bundle. Click the arrow down button next to Download Log Archive. We have two options, no call history and full call history. The only difference between these two options is that one of them is going to put a file named call history into the log bundle. So unless you're trying to exclude this specifically, you can just include the full call history. Here's the resulting file with the extension .tar.gz. You can see the packet capture is already contained within the log bundle in a folder called pcap. Just to demonstrate the difference between the two types of log bundles, on the left we have a log bundle that includes the full call history, and on the right you can see that it does not contain that single call history file. That is the only difference. If you're getting these log files to give to Cisco TAC, we would appreciate if you included the full call history so we have as much information about the calls as possible. And that's all there is for collecting CE endpoint logs. I hope this video has helped you, and thanks for watching.